In this video, I am going to share with you my secret about fastest way to upload a book on Amazon KDP. Before that, hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely well and welcome to my channel Passive Income Journey. I have started my journey to create passive income. Yes, passive income, and I'm going to document my journey on this YouTube channel. So in case if you are interested to know more about it, kindly make sure that you hit that subscribe button right out there and hit that bell notification. Alright, so if you have been uploading the books on Amazon KDP, right, you might have observed that it takes a lot of time when you are on the second step, paperback content. You upload the paperback content of your book, you upload the cover, and then it takes a lot of time before you preview your book, and that's where a lot of time goes into, and sometimes it becomes a bit frustrating because you just are waiting for it to get completed. Now, that is something that I have found a very nice way to get rid of it, and I'm saving my time with that. And with that, I'm able to upload the book faster, and that is something that I'm going to share with you in this video today. Okay, so here is the trick that I am following, and I hope it might be useful for you as well. So the very first thing that I generally do is, because normally what we do, we give the proper book title, subtitle, we fill out all the details, and then we go to next page and upload the paperback content. But the one thing that I generally do is that whenever I am on this page, right, I quickly just fill it out with A, just a very simple thing, no description, nothing like that, no keywords and all the details I'm filling up. I just fill it up faster. Okay, I select any of the random categories, any two categories, and just click, and I just quickly go to the next page. Now on this page, okay, on this page, paperback content, I get this ISBN number, this details, and I upload my paperback manuscript and upload my cover. Now once these things are in process, right, I go back to my first page, and then I take time to correct this detail to give it a proper title. Okay, so till the time on the second page it is kind of processing my paperback manuscript and cover, I'll be able to finish all the details on this page, and once I go to the next page, it is ready for preview, and it is just about approving the book. And you know what, this has kind of saved a lot of time for me, and with this I'm able to upload the book faster. I hope you would have liked this secret trick of mine to upload the book faster. If you have any other ideas and you are kind of uploading book faster in some other way, make sure that you write that down in comments, so I'll be able to learn from you as well, and I might be able to apply your trick as well. I hope you like this video. On this channel, I'll be coming up with some interesting videos about making money with Amazon KDP, so make sure that you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time.